This is my name is Yash MTB Rider, and this is my two mountain bike I do review. Okay, in indoor. This is two mountain bike. First one is 29-inch mountain bike. Second one is 26-inch mountain bike. There is this is this is very tall surface bike for off-road and trail. This is having front alloy shocker with 28 extensions with 80 travel. 80 travel is becoming is very usable in this trail suspension, and this is very good for this is a very very good for. And this having Hartex extra action 29 by 2.4 tire, which is very broad tire. And this is a very weather tire. This is way too much broad. This having very high quality grip, very costly grip. This is our this cycle. This tire cost only 1,500, and this cycle is having mechanical rotors. This size is this is a mechanical disc brake size is 160 rotors, 160 rotors in the front and in the rear. This cycle is having caliper. It is not local. This is a branded caliper. This is not local caliper. This is branded caliper. What this name I don't know. See, here it is. This is a branded caliper. I don't know what caliper name. What this caliper name? Caliper name. What is caliper name is written here? This look. Caliper name. Caliper name this is. Your name here written also. See. Caliper name. Huh? This is a Tode ball caliper. This is a very powerful caliper. This is branded but not local caliper. This display size is very good. You want to give not 160, you want to give bigger bigs. You want to give 180 in the front and 180 also rear. Too much powerful. And this is and this is having this is double wall alloy rims, 29 by 2.4 tire rims. This is branded tire. This is written here Artex extra action tire. 29 by here is written. Tire size 29 by 2.4 nylon basic tire. This is having Kenda. This is double wall alloy rim. This is double wall alloy Kenda rim. This is branded rim. Cost only very high cost, 2,000 rupees. This rim cost is very high. This is having alloy lever, very good lever, and very strong lever is having very costly lever. And this main part of this cycle. I will show you. This cycle is main part of this frame. This frame is very super light frame, and 50 frame weight is 1.6 kgs, and the frame is looking like this. This is not medium, large and extra large. This is a small frame. You looking as this is a medium. This is a medium frame. This is looking medium. Yes, small. You are so thin. This is the not small frame. This is medium size, 17 inches, and this is not too much good frame. This is 17-inch frame, 19-inch. This is 29-inch tire, 26-inch. This is a very wide handlebar, 700 wide. This is you start here to here. Very long handlebar is. I will show you length of the 700 wide broad handlebar. This is very long. This is long. This length is not finishing. Very long handlebar, very wide. This is too much wide. 680 This is not normal. This is alloy handle, size of 680, and very. This is curve handlebar, 700 curve handlebar, and this is very too much soft, not too much, too much. This is very soft. See you very cushiony. Oh, this very bulky cycle. This is you want to you must to ride trail and off light off road. You must to jump cycle. This is very good cycle. This is 29 by 2.4 plus tires, and this is a very size looking super bike. I am doing super bike cycle review, and this is cost only 15,000. That cycle cost only 10,000 is not costing. It cost only 10,000. I don't know what it cost 10,000. This real cycle cost only 20,000. This real cycle cost 50,000. This 50,000 cycle and this 10,000, this 20,000 cycle. This 20,000 cycle is having also very good size of handlebar. This is a 680 curve handlebar. It is very good. But this is a normal steel handlebar. Its length of very broad handle. 680 This is you start here to here very not too much wide. This is a medium handle, and this is a medium handlebar and large handle. And this is in spongy grips. This grip is not too much soft. This soft, this too much soft grips. These grips I will not change any before. And this alloy long stem, this very good stem, and this very strong. You this cycle you will fall, no, this cycle will not happen. But this gear is a very basic gear in 21 speed. This is a very basic gear. This cycle, this high-end mountain bike is having very basic gear. Shimano Tourney. This is very entry level, lower segment gear. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the entry level shifters gears. This is 3 pace normal crank. This you want to this you want to purchase this 3 speed crank. 3 speed crank market cost only 1,600. This is a very good cost to all this steel crank. This is not very good crank. This good crank is only you want to be light off-roading and trail. This is for good. This is not good for triple size light off-roading. Thank you guys. I will do next review video. I will do now second video of this cycle, and that cycle is not the review. Okay, and I will do this cycle on second day. I will do you a second review on morning. Okay, I will do you what is cycle. This cycle is not too much costly cycle. This is, and this cost cycle is very good for long ride to 200 to 4 700 kilometer for good. And you want to take this mountain bike, this is here very good mountain bike. And this is with this cycle is not large frame. You looking large, that is not large. This is some medium frame. Thank you guys. You must subscribe my Yash MTB Rider channel name. Okay, you must subscribe. Bye.